Before using DocuPencil with iPad, please check if your iPad system has paired with Apple Pencil before. If there is a record of pairing, please go to Settings Bluetooth on your iPad, click the information button next to Apple Pencil, and then click Forget this device. Using DocuPencil with the built-in handwriting feature on iPad will automatically convert your handwritten content into input text. When drawing geometric shapes, it can automatically convert the shapes you draw into geometric shapes such as rectangles, triangles, circles, etc. Swipe in from the bottom right corner to quickly open the memo. Swipe in from the bottom left corner to quickly capture the screen.